Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for any gardening enthusiast, the EasyFlex no-dig landscape edging.
If you're looking to spruce up your garden with a clean, professional look without the hassle of traditional landscaping, you're in the right place.
Stick around as we explore why this might just be the best garden edging border on the market. Let's kick things off with an overview. The EasyFlex landscape edging is designed to give your garden a polished finish effortlessly.
Made from durable recycled plastic, it's not only eco-friendly but also incredibly sturdy. Whether you prefer straight lines or curved designs, this edging can handle it all. And here's the best part, no digging required. That means you save time and energy without sacrificing style. Simply lay out the edging, use the provided spikes, and secure it with a rubber mallet. It's that easy. Designed to withstand all weather conditions and resist damage from trimmers and mowers. You can create smooth curves or straight lines effortlessly, adapting to your garden's unique layout. Once installed, it requires minimal upkeep, saving you time and effort in the long run. Comes with an extra set of anchoring spikes, ensuring a secure fit for years to come. So, why choose EasyFlex over other options?
Unlike traditional metal or wooden edging,
this plastic alternative won't rust, warp, or require repainting.
Plus, its flexibility makes it ideal for intricate garden designs.
Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a DIY enthusiast, EasyFlex simplifies the landscaping process while delivering professional results. Let's demonstrate how easy it is to install. Lay out the edging along your desired path, place the spikes through the tabs, and secure with a rubber mallet. In just a few steps, you've got a beautifully defined garden border that enhances your landscape's overall appeal. Now, let's hear from users like you who've tried and tested the EasyFlex edging. They rave about its ease of use and durability, noting how it stands up to harsh weather conditions and maintains its sleek appearance year after year. Many appreciate the bonus spike kit, which ensures a stable installation, even in challenging environments.
And there you have it, folks. The EasyFlex no-dig landscape edging.
Your ultimate solution to achieving a professional-looking garden without the hassle. Whether you're defining flower beds, pathways, or tree surrounds, this product delivers on both style and functionality. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and where to purchase.
If you enjoyed today's video,
don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on products that make your life easier.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.